Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in the last class, we have covered all options. So now we are going to discuss about this, that how you can export the video in Camtasia Studio. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to import the video. So as you can see, I have imported this video. Now I'm going to drag this into timeline. And after dragging this into timeline, I'm going to make some changes as we can export that. Let's press the S for the split. And now again, click here. And now press the S for the split. And now delete this one. I'm going to delete this. And now let's put a transition here. So as you can see, I have dragged this transition here. Now let's play this.
Notifying her. He said he would reveal more.
So as you can see, I have put the transition here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to click on the export. After clicking on the export, you will see the options like this. Like these are the all other options. If you want to upload on the YouTube, you can also do that. If you want to upload it on the Google Drive directly, you can also do that in the screen, and the screencast and all other options are here. If you want to use these options, you can also use that. We are going to click on the local file. Here, as you can see, here the local file option. So we have to click on this. Let's click on this. So as you can see, here are some basic settings. Here is the option for the advanced setting. If you want to changes, if you want to make changes in this option, you can also do that. Here's the dimension and encoding and audio option, and here's the basic mp3, and these are the all formats. If you want to change the format, you can also change that. And here you have to select the location that where you want to export your video. You have to select that. For example, I want to save in the documents, download, or wherever you want. And after that, you have to select the file type here, that which should be the file type. And then you have to write the name here. For example, I'm going to write this smart, so I have written this one. And now simply you have to click on the export button, and after clicking on the export, it will take few seconds. It's up to your video, and after that, video will be ready to use. So as you can see, video is finally exported. Now what we have to do, we have to click on the close. If you want to view media, open the file, you have to click on this. Or if you want to open your file location, you can also do that. So in this way, you can export the video in Camtasia Studio. So here our Camtasia Studio video series has been ended. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.